Hey, back again with what I need to just call Project Money Pit. Today we're working on the cooling system for the 99 Trans Am, and I just want to kind of do a quick walkthrough, kind of show you what all we've got, and kind of give you how I did it. There's a lot of different ways you can see online that people do it. I'm doing a stand-up radiator system, so it gives me additional space, and if I want to do future upgrades, etc. Plus, I just can't stand it lean back, so I'll go through real quick and kind of show you what we're working with. This is the Griffen radiator right here. It comes with the petcock, and then it's got the upper lower hose area, which drain hooks up to the factory hoses correctly. Excuse me. And then of course your factory cap will go on here. And so I'm going to show you how I got my measurements on there. For those of you who are wondering, the part number on there, that right there, the race radiator, the GRI 125241X. The reason why I went with that radiator is a lot of other people have used it, and kind of one of those if it's not broke, don't fix it type things. So just kind of give you a real quick rundown and kind of show you how I did it, and we'll get straight into it, start cutting and go from there. So first thing I did is I just wanted to come up here, take a look at the car, basically just go frame rail to frame rail. And if I recall correctly, I think it's roughly 30.5 inches. And so what I did is I just came over here, just made a kind of rudimentary kind of bobbin with a line. That way I'm able to tell exactly where that halfway point is once I measure off of here. And so we're good to go as far as that. And then I came through on this back side and just kind of give you an idea. What I did is I made a mark just outside of where the radiator would be. And I did that on both sides. And then I came across and I've got a straight edge that I pulled all the way across this lip, essentially right here, right where it starts to get ready to roll. So we're going to make our cut here and then there. And then after that, we're going to go through, kind of clean it up and kind of give you an idea as to what we've got. The overall dimensions for that radiator are 27 and a half. So if you're trying to get your halfway point, of course, you're going to be looking at 13.75. And then you make your measurements off of there, and of course you want to give yourself excess space for whether you're going to mount it on the sides, etc. You want to make sure that it's not just going to be rubbing up against there, because you will inevitably rub through that aluminum. So stay tuned. Thanks.